Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this beautiful French manicure right from my own home in under 10 minutes. I'm going to be using the Kiss Everlasting French manicure, which you can find at your local drugstore. The package brings a set of 28 nails, a small glue, and also a small nail file and cuticle pusher. I think that's what you call it. So here are my nails before. Don't judge me. I have such a bad habit of biting my nails. I know it's horrible, but I'm gonna fix that in a few minutes. You guys will see. So I'm just gonna start by pushing back my cuticles. It's good to do this regularly because it will allow your natural nails to grow out. So the first step is to measure your nails with the fake nails and find the perfect fit for your nails. You don't want the nail to be too big where it's touching your skin, but you don't want it to be too small to where it's not covering the entire nail. Now each nail is numbered, so it makes it super convenient for you to find its match. You only have to measure one hand and then find the corresponding nails for the other hand. And I'm just quickly doing the same thing with the rest of my nails. These by far are my favorite drugstore nails because they go with everything, and I get compliments every single time I wear them. People can't believe that they're not salon nails and that I actually do them myself from home in just a few minutes. Moving on to glue. You might have to cut your glue with a scissor just to make the hole bigger and allow the glue to come out more easily. So I'm just covering my entire nail with glue. Be careful not to put too much. You want to measure the nail against your cuticle and push down, and then you want to hold your nail firmly in the middle for about 10 seconds or until you feel that the nail is securely on. And I'm going to repeat those steps with the rest of my nails. If you're a mommy like me or you're super busy, these are perfect for you. If you have a special event to go to but you're running low on time, these are so easy. You can just pop them on in a few minutes and be on your way. Now I'm just giving my nails one final press before I move on. And once you have all of your nails on, you can remove the little number tabs from the nails and quickly file. And as you can see, the before and after is like night and day, and that was super quick and super easy. I'll run through these steps again for you guys on my other hand. Another thing I want to mention about these nails is that they are super affordable for the quality. I get them for about $7 at my local Rite Aid, but I've seen them for even cheaper than that at stores like Walmart and Target, and you just can't beat that. They're such an amazing deal. And we are all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.